Arabic. Hello friends, my name is Alif. I am the first letter of the Arabic alphabet. I can stand alone in the beginning, in the middle, and at the end of the word, or team up with other letters to make words. I like my friends, we play together and make words. Let me show you how I used in the words. In the beginning of the word, I am standing alone. Let's see this word. Arnab. Arnab means rabbit. Look at me in the beginning. I'm standing alone. Another word like asad means lion. I am standing alone in the beginning. Can you find another word that starts with Alif? Alwan. Good job. Alwan means colors. I am standing alone in the beginning. In the middle, I often find myself standing alone, cut off from my friends on either side. See me in this word. Ras. Ras means head. Look at me in the middle, disconnected from my friends on both sides. Sometimes I take off my hamza to make a word like zarafa means giraffe. I am also standing alone, separated from my friends on both sides, and my shape is different without the hamza. In the middle of some words, I have a tail to the right to connect with my friend before me, but I never connected to the left with my friend after. Look at me in this word. Fa'ar. Fa'ar means mouse. I connect to the right with my friend Fa, but I am free to the left. In the word like bab. Bab means door. I have a different shape without hamza, and I connected to the right with my friend, but I am free to the left. At the end of some words, I have a tail to the right to connect with my friend before me, and I took off the hamza. Look at me in this word. Asa. Asa means stick. Look at me, I connected to the right with my friend. In the word like taqra. Taqra. She is reading. At the end of the word, I'm standing alone, disconnect from my friend. Let's try to write the letter Alif. Start from the right side of the paper. Make a line going down just like this. Now write a letter C with slanting line to make a hamza. Good job! Please like and subscribe and share with all your friends. Thanks for watching!